Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can fix your slow performance issue after updating on Windows 11. I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first thing, you can open up your file explorer. So as you open the file explorer, now on this interface what you'll need to do is you need to click on this PC. As you click on this PC, on the other side you'll be able to see your drives. So you need to click on C drive, and as you open up your C drive you'll be able to see a list of files. So then on this page you need to click on Windows. Once again you'll be able to see a list of files. Now on this interface you need to slightly scroll down and then you'll need to click on software distributor, and as you click on it you'll need to select it all and then delete it. As you can see that unnecessary and unwanted files have been deleted. This way you can delete your old updates. And after that what you'll need to do is and then click on the Windows icon in the bottom left corner, and as you do that on the search box type in run and open it. You'll be able to see a pop-up, and on the search box type in clean mgr. Once you've typed in, click OK. So this will open up the disk cleanup. So click on OK once again. As you click on it once again you'll be able to see a pop-up. From here you'll be cleaning all the junks and temporary files that are not necessary. So all you need to do is just select it. Just keep on selecting the files. You do not need all of these including your cycle bin. Once you're done selecting it all, click on OK, which is right at the bottom. And if you're sure about deleting your files, click on delete files. Now this might take a little bit of time, so you have to wait patiently until this process is completely done. While this is in process, what you can do is other thing. Do the same thing, click on the Windows icon, and after that type in task manager and open it. As you open up your task manager, right on top you'll be able to see an option as startup, and you need to click on it, and you need to make sure that all the unnecessary files and applications or software should be deleted. In case if some of the features are disabled, then you can enable it as well, and after that you need to close this tab. Sometimes you also need to repair your Windows, so you'll also need to repair the Windows, as sometimes while updating it might get corrupted. So you'll need to repair the Windows. Tap on the Windows icon in the bottom left, and on the search bar type in CMD and then click on it. So once you're on this page, what you'll need to do is you need to type in sfc/scan now. So this actually is a system file checker tool, which you'll need to run it and hit enter, and it might take some time, so you'll have to wait patiently until the process is going on. Once you're done completing the process, you'll need to restart your device. After you're done restarting it, on the search box type in troubleshooting. Once you type in, you'll be taken to the settings page, and on this page you need to click on other troubleshooters, which is right at the bottom. And on this page what you'll need to do is click on Windows Update, or just click on Run. As soon as you click on it, after that it will start detecting the problems after updating your Windows. So that is how you can fix a slow performance issue after updating. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.